We search the stars for mystery, gazing upward in wonder, hoping to find answers in the vastness of space. Yet while our eyes are fixed on the heavens, we often overlook the mysteries that lie much closer to home, right beneath our feet, hidden beneath the waves. Beneath our oceans lies a realm as alien as any distant planet, a world that remains largely unexplored and unknown. The ocean's depths are shrouded in darkness, where sunlight barely penetrates and the pressure is immense, creating an environment that challenges even the most advanced technology. This world of darkness and crushing pressure holds the memories of lost continents and ancient dramas, written in rocks and DNA. Here, strange creatures thrive in conditions that would be impossible on land, and the landscape is shaped by forces that have been at work for millions of years. Imagine a map where familiar continents dissolve, replaced by vanished lands that once teemed with life, including our ancestors. These lost worlds are not just the stuff of legend, they are real places, now hidden beneath the waves, waiting to be rediscovered. These continents were swallowed by rising seas or torn apart by Earth's restless geology. Over countless ages, the planet's surface has shifted and changed, erasing some histories while preserving others deep below the ocean floor. Their stories are clues scattered across the ocean floor, waiting to be deciphered. Ancient relics, sunken cities, and fossilized remains all offer glimpses into a past that is both mysterious and awe-inspiring. The quest to understand these hidden worlds is a journey through time, revealing the immense power that shapes our planet. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding how Earth has evolved and how life has adapted to even the most extreme environments. Let's dive into the abyss, tracing lost continents and ancient civilizations and uncovering the secrets that still lie beneath the waves. With every expedition we push the boundaries of what we know, venturing into the unknown in search of answers. Even on our own world, there are new frontiers to explore and endless wonders waiting to be discovered. The ocean's hidden worlds remind us that the greatest mysteries are sometimes found not in the stars, but in the depths of our own planet. Long before the first explorers charted the world, Earth's geography was a living, breathing puzzle, its land and sea in constant motion, reshaping the face of the planet over millions of years. The continents we know today are just the latest arrangement in a never-ending dance of tectonic plates, where ancient lands have vanished beneath the waves, leaving only faint traces behind. During the last ice age, when glaciers locked away much of the world's water, sea levels dropped dramatically. This exposed vast land bridges, like Sahul, a massive supercontinent that once connected Australia, New Guinea, and Tasmania. These now separated lands were once part of a single, sprawling territory, teeming with life and possibility. Early humans ventured across these lost continents, following herds and rivers, leaving behind mysterious cave art and carefully crafted stone tools. The plains of Sahul echoed with the footsteps of giant megafauna, towering marsupials like Diprotodon, and fierce predators that have no living counterparts today. Fossils and artifacts are all that remain of these vanished worlds, offering tantalizing glimpses into a forgotten age. But as the planet warmed and the glaciers melted, the seas began to rise. Slowly, relentlessly, the ocean swallowed Sahul, severing the land bridges and isolating its people and wildlife. Today, only the submerged continental shelves and scattered islands hint at the vastness of what was lost beneath the waves. In Southeast Asia, another ghost continent, Argoland, once stretched across the region. Over millions of years, Argoland shattered into fragments, its pieces now buried deep beneath Borneo and Java. These microcontinents are hidden from view, but their presence is revealed through the rocks and minerals that geologists study, piecing together the story of a land that no longer exists on any map. Far out in the Indian Ocean, the lost continent of Mauritius was discovered not by its landforms, but by ancient zircon crystals found on the island of Mauritius. These tiny minerals, over 1 billion years old, are relics of a vanished world, evidence that a continent once existed where only ocean lies today. The story of Mauritius reminds us that even the smallest clues can reveal the grandest secrets of Earth's past. These ghost continents, Sahul, Argoland, Mauritius, are silent witnesses to the planet's restless history. They remind us that Earth's surface is always changing and that beneath the ocean's surface lie the remnants of worlds long gone, waiting to be rediscovered. Every discovery, whether it's a fossilized bone, a crystal hidden in volcanic rock, or a diver's glimpse of a submerged plain, adds a new chapter to the epic story of our planet. Each find deepens our understanding of how continents rise, fall, and transform over time. The ocean floor is a vast graveyard of continents, its rugged terrain holding secrets that have yet to be uncovered. With every sonar scan and deep-sea dive, we come closer to unraveling the mysteries hidden beneath the waves. Our search for lost worlds beneath the waves is just beginning. As technology advances and curiosity drives us forward, who knows what other ghost continents we might find, and what stories they will tell about the ever-changing face of our planet. We learned there are 7 continents, but Earth has an 8th. Zealandia, mostly hidden beneath the Pacific. Only New Zealand and New Caledonia break the surface. The rest is a submerged landmass half the size of Australia. Zealandia broke from Gondwana 85 million years ago, its crust stretched and thinned until it sank below the waves. Officially recognized as a continent in 2017, Zealandia's mapping in 2023 revealed a world of underwater mountains, canyons, and unique ecosystems. Chemosynthetic life thrives in its darkness, offering clues to how life might exist on other planets. Zealandia is proof that our planet still holds surprises, lost continents waiting to be found. Even the most basic facts about Earth can change with new discoveries. The ground beneath our feet feels solid and unchanging, but in reality, Earth's crust is a vast, ever-shifting mosaic of tectonic plates. These immense slabs of rock, some as large as continents, are in constant slow motion, gliding atop the semi-fluid mantle below. Though we rarely notice their movement in our daily lives, their restless journey shapes the very face of our planet. Driven by the intense heat rising from Earth's core, these plates drift, collide, and separate, building towering mountains, opening vast oceans, and fueling the fiery eruptions of volcanoes. The energy released in these processes is immense, sometimes causing earthquakes that remind us of the planet's dynamic nature. At divergent boundaries, where plates pull apart, molten rock rises to fill the gap, creating new crust and forming mid-ocean ridges that snake across the ocean floor. These underwater mountain chains are among the longest features on Earth. In places like the East African Rift, continents themselves are slowly splitting apart, hinting at the birth of future oceans and the dramatic changes yet to come in Earth's geography. At convergent boundaries, plates collide with incredible force. When oceanic plates dive beneath continental plates, they melt and trigger chains of volcanoes like those in the Pacific Ring of Fire. When continents collide, the crust buckles and folds, giving rise to mighty mountain ranges such as the Himalayas. The story of Greater Adria, a lost continent, is written in the rocks of the Alps. Millions of years ago it collided with Europe, and today, its remnants are stitched into the mountains, a testament to the power of plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is both creator and destroyer, constantly reshaping our world. It forms new land, erases old boundaries, and drives the cycles of creation and destruction that define our planet's surface. The continents we know today are only temporary arrangements. Over millions of years they drift, break apart, and reassemble, as they did when the supercontinent Pangaea split and scattered the landmasses across the globe. Every mountain, ocean, and island is a product of this restless process, each landscape a chapter in the ongoing story of Earth's transformation. The saga of lost continents and shifting plates is the story of plate tectonics in action, a story still being written beneath our feet. Our planet is never still. It is alive with movement, forever evolving, and its story continues with every passing moment. 300 million years ago, all land was joined as Pangaea, surrounded by a vast ocean. Over time, mantle forces tore Pangaea apart, birthing the Atlantic and sending continents drifting to their current positions. This cycle of supercontinents forming and breaking apart has happened many times in Earth's history. Geologists predict it will happen again, perhaps as Pangaea Ultima, with the Americas rejoining Africa and Europe, or as Amasia, a supercontinent at the North Pole. Other models imagine different future worlds, but the continental dance is certain to continue. The land beneath our feet is always in motion, shaping the future as it has shaped the past. Our world's geography is a temporary arrangement in a much larger story. The next supercontinent is already in motion, even if we can't see it yet. The Earth's surface is a living, changing puzzle. Earth's forces can unleash spectacular power, as seen in the 2022 Hunga Tonga eruption, the most powerful in a century. The blast sent massive amounts of water vapor into the stratosphere, with lingering effects on climate and weather. Geological events like this remind us how a single eruption can ripple across the planet. Travel back 100 million years to Morocco's Kem beds, a river system ruled by giant predators like Spinosaurus and Supercroc. Fossils reveal a bizarre ecosystem where carnivores outnumbered herbivores, challenging our understanding of ancient life. Scientists theorize these monsters fed on each other and giant fish, creating a world unlike any today. Ancient rivers and volcanoes show how dynamic and unpredictable Earth's history truly is. Humanity's attempts to shape nature often have unexpected consequences. Australia's dingo fence, the world's longest, was built to keep dingoes out of sheep country, but it triggered ecological chaos. Without dingoes, kangaroo and emu populations exploded, overgrazing the land and transforming the landscape. The fence is a stark lesson in the delicate balance of ecosystems. In Hawaii, the lack of inter-island ferries isn't just about distance, it's the ocean's power and the need to protect marine life. Treacherous channels and environmental risks, like ship strikes on humpback whales and the spread of invasive species, make ferries impractical. The sky, not the sea, connects the islands, preserving their unique habitats. Human interventions, big and small, reshape the land and sea in ways we rarely predict. Our actions echo through ecosystems, often in surprising ways. Atlantis may be a myth, but real sunken cities lie beneath the waves. Pavlopetri, off Greece, is the oldest known submerged city, 5,000 years old, preserved just below the surface. Its streets and buildings offer a glimpse into ancient life, lost to rising seas and shifting land. In Japan, the Yonaguni Monument blurs the line between geology and archaeology, massive underwater terraces that some believe are man-made, others say natural. The debate continues, but Yonaguni symbolizes the mysteries still hidden in the deep. Sunken cities and enigmatic ruins remind us how much of our history is underwater, waiting to be explored. The ocean keeps its secrets well. Our journey through Earth's submerged worlds reveals a planet in constant transformation. Continents drift, oceans open and close, and lost worlds wait beneath the waves. Human curiosity drives us to map the unknown, analyze ancient clues, and piece together our planet's epic story. With over 80% of the ocean still unexplored, the potential for discovery is limitless. Understanding Earth's restless forces is key to understanding our own place in its story. As we look to the stars, we must also look into the deep, where the greatest wonders and lessons still await. The adventure is far from over.